The winter sun glinted off the snow-covered yard as 8-year-old Timmy bundled up for a day of frosty fun. His dad, Greg, was already outside, determined to show his son the art of crafting the perfect snowball. Timmy was excited. He had envisioned an epic day of snowball fights and laughter. Greg, on the other hand, had something else in mind, a masterpiece of a snowman, starting with the giant bottom ball. They started rolling small, tight snowballs together, packing them meticulously. As they rolled, the snowballs grew, picking up everything in their paths, twigs, leaves, even the occasional forgotten toy. Soon, their creations were immense, nearly as tall as Timmy himself. Greg grinned, wiping the sweat from his brow. "All right, Timmy, let's stack these bad boys up." Timmy, small but mighty in spirit, eagerly got behind his giant snowball, pushing with all his might. But unluckily, Greg miscalculated the incline of their yard. His enormous snowball started to wobble. "Watch out, Dad!" Timmy yelled, but it was too late. The giant snowball toppled forward, rolling downhill and smashing into the neighbor's perfect snowman. With a splat, the neighbor's snowman disintegrated into a pile of snow and buttons. Timmy's eyes went wide as he looked at his dad, who was now scratching his head, looking as clueless as ever. "Oops," Greg murmured. They both burst into laughter, the sound echoing through the crisp winter air. Figuring they might as well make the best of their situation, they decided to challenge each other to a snowball duel. Soon, snowballs were flying back and forth as they dodged and weaved with glee.